Hi everyone, this is Danny Eric back with another video. Today we're going to talk about the Rolex GMT and how to set the 3 different time zones. First debuted in 1954, it was made for Pan Am pilots to tell different time zones as they traveled transcontinentally. One of the major upgrades that Rolex did in the early 1980s that took it from the GMT Master to the GMT Master 2 is that you're able to set the 12-hour hand separately. It was even one of the few watches that was approved for space travel. Reference 1675 was pictured worn by Ed Mitchell, who went to Apollo 14. Some of the iconic references for the Rolex GMT are the Pepsi, the Batman, and the Coke as we know it today. Now we're going to get into the fun part on how to set up your GMT. So now that we have the GMT time zone set at 9 and we have local time set at 9 a.m., we're going to see New York time, which is plus 3 hours. So when you're doing plus 3 hours, you're going to go counterclockwise, which is 1, 2, 3. So now you'll see the GMT time zone is going to read at 12 noon, which in New York right now it is 12 noon. Now to do Hawaii time, we're going to move the bezel back to 12 o'clock, so we're going to position it. Hawaii is minus 3, so we're going to go clockwise 1, 2, 3. Now you'll see the GMT hand will read Hawaii as 6 a.m. and that is how you tell 2 time zones on a GMT watch. Now I'm going to show you how to do the 3 time zones. So what we're going to do is we're going to set the GMT hand to Greenwich time, which is based in London. So right now in London it is 5 p.m. So we're going to unscrew the crown and we're going to go to position 3. So we're going to click the crown out twice. So 1, 2. We're going to move this over so the GMT hand is reading 1700, which is 5 p.m. And we're going to set that right over there. Now we're going to move our local time to 9 a.m. So we're going to push it back in. Now we're going to go to position 2 and we're going to move your hour hand to 9 a.m. Now you're going to push the crown back in, screw it back shut. So now we're going to do based on Japan time and we're going to do based on New York. So Japan is plus 9, so we're going to go counterclockwise 9 times. So we'll do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So right now, if you look, your GMT hand is going to read 2 a.m. So right now in Japan, it is 2 a.m. Now we're going to move the bezel back to position 12. And we're going to do based in New York, which is minus 5. So now we're going to go clockwise 5 times, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So right now it's going to read 12. So right now it's 12 noon in New York. So this is how you tell the 3 time zones on your GMT watch. I know it says the GMT is for 3 time zones, but in reality, this is why they made this watch for Pan Am pilots, because you can tell the time anywhere in the world as long as you know how to work the GMT time. Thank you for watching.